Hey, y'all. Honestly, today is a really big day for me. Addison Rae Fragrance is launching today, and I'm so excited because ever since I was a little girl, I've always gone into stores and been like, oh my gosh, I want my own fragrance so bad. And like Britney had one, and Kim, and Taylor Swift, and so many people have incredible fragrances, and now I get to have my own. It took a really long time throughout the past year, really, just going in and testing out different things, and finally landed on the perfect thing for me. It is a water-based, mood-enhancing fragrance, which is a new science. It's really awesome and exciting because it actually can affect your daily moods and enhance them. So these are science-based and water-based, which is really awesome too, because they don't leave your skin feeling dehydrated. And these are the boxes. I'm obsessed with them. It took really long to come up with a concept, an idea of what I wanted these to look like and smell like. And here are the finished boxes. I'm obsessed with them. Honestly, like, they're really cute decoration. I have them set up in my living room, which is kind of random for them, but super cute for decoration. It's a daily dose of energy, euphoria, and calm. They're all so good, and I don't have a favorite. They're all my favorite, but I do like use them in different times of the day, or like when I'm going to different things. So it says it right here what you can use them for too. This one's for occasion. Ooh, my phone just had a low battery thing. Of course, my phone's always about to die. But anyways, you can wear this one, which is Happy AF, for vacation, beach days, birthdays, sunset. Back to what I was saying, movie nights, long drives. It makes you relaxed and chill, calm. And then this one, which I really love, is Hyped AF. Gives you a dose of energy. You can do this with dance parties. Do this for dance parties. Spray it on you. Dance parties, dance nights, out with a friend, going out, all the fun stuff. But yeah, they're perfect for like occasions, but also just every single day. I'm absolutely obsessed with the boxes, like I said. So cute and so fun. Kind of like aura-y in a way too, which I loved, but also like mood enhancing, so like mood ring, color change, which explains a lot because these show you, and the boxes actually show which each bottle turns into after like heat censored. So this is Chill AF, and here's the Chill AF bottle, which, don't do that, but which turns blue when activated with heat. So you warm it up. It's kind of like a mood ring, which I love because I always loved mood rings growing up, and now this is like a temperature activated color change, which is so cool. And it's shaped like a rock, which I got inspiration because I went on this really beautiful trip with my mom last year, and I loved like the rock formations and how smooth and silky rocks are, but also because it can be like a cute decoration. And then here, and this is Happy AF, which turns into a beautiful light pink if you really heat it up. Beautiful light pink. And then Hyped AF, which turns into a yellow. And the boxes show that too. I just wanted to demonstrate how they change. So yeah, super cute decorations. I'm obsessed with them. Also, obviously smell incredible, but just look good sitting on the counter or wherever. And I really hope you guys like them. I'm so excited, but also nervous. They're really nice and special to me. And yeah, hope you guys really love it and test it out and give it a shot, because I love it so much and have worked really hard on it, but also I'm just very passionate about it and have become very passionate about scents and fragrances and smells and how that affects your mood in everyday life. So swipe up if you want to shop Addison Rae Fragrance, the AF collection, just so special to my heart because it's my first collection and I'm so excited. Yeah, so swipe up, AddisonRaeFragrance.com. Also, the website is really freaking fun and awesome and cool as shit. So I'm really excited for you guys to test it out. Love you.